It's frozen treat time. So today we are going to use the Optimum Mamma Mia pasta maker with the frozen treat maker component. So we've got here today some frozen banana and some frozen mango that we've had just thawing for about 10 minutes out of the freezer. So we are going to begin to make our frozen treat dessert. So we are going to turn the unit on and we're going to press forward to start the action. So it's already assembled and we've got the star attachment, and that's for the frozen treats. So we'll pop in a bit of banana and a bit of mango, and we'll gently just push that through. We've got delicious, healthy treats coming out of our pasta maker. And just alternate between your fruits. You can use berries, any frozen fruit that you like. You can probably put chocolate in as well, and really just create your own deliciousness. I'm just going to change my bowls. Banana-y and mango-y, very delicious. Great for the kids and a really delicious, healthy treat. Is our banana and mango frozen treat with the Mamma Mia.